Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everybody about it, and that's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us.
After my dad passed away, I didn't think twice about where to bring his rug to have it cleaned. They did a wonderful job, and it looks like new again. The service is great. They took it right out of my car and brought it back after it was cleaned. I wouldn't trust anyone else but Kaouds with this investment.
And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from our existing customers, we also love earning 5-star reviews from our new customers. We want to earn one from you. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.